If it fits her, she can have it. If it don't fit her,
I know what everybody likes though.
Oh yeah. What are police doing?
Because I just counted you before I got out of the car. For who? Well, you're the one without one.
It's like brand new.
it is one. We wouldn't give out a used Hummer.
Oh, I thought somebody forgot it or something.
Negative. As long as it'll go on her head, man.
See? Now we have something to talk about, right?
Let's see. Well, who's got the tiniest head? Oh, I think we got a fitter.
And then this one.
Now,
And this one goes to
that's
her.
whose is that? That was yours?
You don't think that one will fit her head? The new
I
one?
don't know.
No, it's for baby.
It's tight,
It's tight.
but it's safer than nothing, right?
Uh-oh.
Here's
No,
some of that.
no.
Smile. No? Alright, he's gonna have to go on her head.
Yeah.
All right,
Oh.
That one may have longer straps to go around.
Ariel, take this one. Ariel, take Becca's.
Does that fit you? A little better? At least the strap will reach.
All right.
That's